Hello, to clean storage on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we need to go in the phone settings first. And here select About Phone tab and then go in the storage section. So first thing you can do is to check the amount of available storage and the gigabytes you used. And now you can also see this button clear. So by tapping this button, we can clean up some storage space. But don't worry, this won't delete important items, only junk files and unnecessary data. So let's tap this clear option. And here you'll see how much space we can clean up. Then, if you agree with that, just tap this red button to clean up. Wait a couple of seconds till it will be cleaning. And now it just finished cleaning, so we just free up some space. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.